Hello, welcome back to my channel. Remember to subscribe. I'm a Prabha. This is the time I'm doing the piping work for drainage system. I'm using a 1.5 inch pipe PVC, and my drain the trench is ready. So this is the time I'm taking the levels. As you can see, the water have not set flowed in a good way. So make sure that the water is flowing. Yeah, this is the spillage level. Use the spillage level. You should be on a slide. And at that point, it is very good. Check the other side. Not yet. Make sure it is flowing. Not bad, but not so good. Check out the point, and make the other edge. Continue subscribing to my channel. I'm going to appreciate. Thank you for watching. The level is not so good, so what should I do? And make it deep a bit. To the light points.